Welcome to Right Steps, Logo Design Business Idea. We're always making a video that helps you start and be successful in business. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell notification so that you can be the first to receive new videos on startup opportunities and resources. Are you creative and have artistic abilities? Then you can start a logo design business. Every business must compete in their niche markets. Therefore, they need marketing strategies to overcome the hurdles created by rivals. A memorable business logo design becomes a handy tool for business owners for driving customers. A unique logo design is perhaps the most visible element of a business. We all know how important it is to make a first impression on the people we meet. This is true also in business. Business owners from startups to larger scales ascertain a good impression on the target audience. Every business has a logo. However, does that logo represent the business values and attributes in the market and public? Presently, not all logos can present the business effectively to the people. According to a study, if a business wants to develop loyalty, the first impression is incredibly important. This need presents a freelance opportunity for you. A freelancer is someone who can offer a service to people without having to work for a company. Freelancing is a great opportunity because you can control your prices and schedule. One of the easiest ways for a novice graphic designer to break into the freelancing business is through creating a logo design business. Most of your clients are not looking for something incredibly complicated. They want something that looks modern, simple, and unique. If you can create a logo that fits those qualifications, you will be able to get your logo design business off the ground in no time. You could expect to make between $200 to $500 per logo. Once you have a strong understanding of customer acquisition and you can deliver what your customers are looking for, be prepared to do revisions for your customers until they are happy. Keeping your customers happy is the key to success for a logo design business. Several small businesses don't have a logo because they don't have creative, artistic abilities or they don't know why they need one. They'll happily pay you the fees for designing logos. Let's get you designing. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell notification so that you can be the first to receive new videos on startup opportunities and resources.